is becoming more extreme. In recent years, people around the world have noticed that the weather feels less predictable and often more dangerous. Heat waves last longer, storms grow stronger, floods come more often, and wildfires spread faster. Scientists agree that these changes are closely linked to climate change, which is caused mainly by human activity. The release of greenhouse gases from burning coal, oil, and gas is warming the planet, and this extra heat is making normal weather patterns more extreme. One clear example is the increase in powerful tropical storms. In July 2025, Super Typhoon Ragasa forced millions of people in the Philippines, Hong Kong, and southern China to evacuate. Winds reached nearly 300 kilometers per hour, and heavy rains caused severe damage. Researchers say that even a small rise in sea surface temperature gives storms more energy. While the total number of storms each year may not increase much, the most violent ones are becoming stronger and more destructive. Another major change is the rise in heat waves. Warmer air caused by greenhouse gases traps more heat close to the ground. As a result, summer temperatures reach new records more often. Heat waves are not only uncomfortable, they are dangerous for health, especially for the elderly, children, and people who work outdoors. Cities are particularly at risk because concrete and asphalt keep heat trapped, creating what scientists call the urban heat island effect. At the same time, warmer air can hold more water vapor. This means that when it rains, rainfall is often heavier than before. Intense downpours can trigger sudden floods, especially in places where rivers, drains, and dams are not designed to handle such large amounts of water. Rising sea levels from melting glacier make the problem worse, since coastal areas face both storm surges from the sea and floods from the land. The effects often combine in dangerous ways. For example, long droughts dry out soil, making it hard for rain to soak in. Then, when heavy rain finally comes, flash floods happen more easily. Dry conditions also increase the risk of wildfires, which spread quickly in hot and windy weather. Scientists call these compound events, and they are expected to become more common in a warming world. Experts warn that unless greenhouse gas emissions are reduced quickly, extreme weather will continue to intensify. To limit damage, communities need stronger buildings, better early warning systems, and investment in clean energy. Reducing global warming is not only about protecting nature, it is also about protecting people's homes, health, and future.